My name is Pedro Fortuna. I'm CTO and co-founder of Jscrambler. Jscrambler is a web security company that makes sure that the integrity of web applications is kept. Nowadays, web applications need to be very agile, like companies need to deploy applications very quickly. In order to do that, they have to use lots of third-party components. The problem is that how can they be sure that they are able to trust those components? Those components can actually steal away users' data. Web skimming is a type of attack where the attacker will find a way to compromise part of the code to introduce malicious codes that is supposed to collect payment data, like credit card numbers, and leak it. At Jscrambler, our monitoring is able to identify this type of behavior and block it. Customers can use our product to mitigate this kind of issue. Once we caught a marketing automation vendor that was included on the website, accidentally or willingly was collecting personal data from our customers' users. Our customer wasn't aware of that, and they became aware because we were catching this behavior, and very quickly we started blocking this behavior because it wasn't allowed, it wasn't authorized, and it was putting our customer at risk of liabilities. Jscrambler is embedded into our application and automatically and transparently starts monitoring code behavior to understand if these third-party components are doing anything malicious, including leaking users' data. Usually we focus on sensitive data because that's what usually when a script gets malicious is looking after. And we start observing what they intend to do if they're accessing some data they were supposed to be accessing. And then take it from there, start blocking access to sensitive data and alerting our customers of these new found behaviors. Our solution is very easy to use. They just add a script to their web pages and we take care of everything else. No special configuration. The application does not need to be adjusted to our solution or anything like that. Just add it and that's it. We mostly work with e-commerce, retail, and financial customers. We have been working with JavaScript security by 12, 13 years now. We've built things that the web was lacking. I'm actually very proud of what our team was able to add by innovating. And I think that we're creating our march in the web security and application security space.